Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we're going to resolve one of the most common issues, that is mobile data not working on Android phone. Many users have complained about this problem, thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. So, without wasting any further time, let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Most probably mobile data not working on mobile due to an expired data plan, if your daily data limit has exhausted, when an incorrect network mode is selected or SIM card is damaged. Now, let's move on to know how to fix mobile data not working after Android 12 update issue with 7 best fixes. Solution 1. Switch off and on mobile data. Since the issue is related to cellular data, firstly you should turn off and turn on your mobile data after some time. For this, you have to. First, scroll down your notification panel. Next, find mobile data or cellular data option, then tap on it to disable it. After some time, again tap on it to enable it. Solution 2. Restart your Android device. Sometimes just by restarting your device can solve the issue. So, why not try this once? To restart your device, unlock the screen of the phone. Press and hold the power button until a menu appears. Select Restart. Wait for the device to restart. After that, try to connect with the app again. It may solve your mobile data not working problem. Solution 3. Enable and disable airplane mode. The purpose of airplane mode is to help you disconnect from all network services when you are on a flight mode. However, you can use this mode to fix many network-related problems. There is no guarantee that using airplane mode will fix mobile data not working issue, but you can give it a try as it will not harm your device. Make sure you have saved your work before you do this, as your phone will be disconnected from the internet as well. Open the notifications panel on your phone. Tap the airplane mode icon to turn the mode on. Tap on the same icon again to disable the mode. Solution 4. Check if you've reached your mobile data limit. Most carriers offer mobile data services and plans with limited data. And let's be honest, many of us would have taken for granted roaming without keeping track of the data usage. Hence, if your mobile data is not working on your Android phone, then this is one possible reason for it. The only scenario in which you don't have to consider this is if you have an unlimited data plan. To check if you've maximized your mobile data limit for the day, week, or month, simply go to your phone settings. From there, tap on the data usage, where you can find the data you've used up within a certain period of time. If you did reach your data cap, it's best to communicate with your carrier to settle the bill. Solution 5. Remove and reinsert SIM card. Since the issue is with mobile data, so you can try ejecting your SIM card from your phone and then putting it back in. If your SIM was not installed properly, or if the SIM card tray was loose, this should fix that for you. Solution 6. Factory reset your phone. The last manual solution to this issue is factory resetting your phone. However, doing this will wipe out all data on your phone. So, make sure to create backup of your phone's data before doing this. In order to do this, open the settings, then go to the system, and click on the backup and reset. At this time, tap on the erase all data option. Finally, click on the delete all data button. After doing this, restart your phone. Now, check if the mobile data not working issue is resolved. Solution 7. Use Android Repair Tool. If you are looking for a quick way to troubleshoot the mobile data not working Android issue, then there is no better option than using the Android Repair Tool. It will help you to fix the network-related issues on the phone, along with fixing many other system errors and issues, such as the phone being stuck in a boot loop, update failure issues, black screen of death error, and many more. So, I will highly recommend you to use this tool to fix this problem. If you want to try this software, then click on the link given in the description box below. So, this is all about fixing mobile data not working after Android 12 or 11 update. I hope these solutions will help you in resolving the problem. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users facing the same problem, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.